So now we need to discuss about, because when you manage diversity, when you manage a bigger organization, all kind of people are there. Some people are very highly talented, they come with a skill set, they come with a knowledge, but in few cases their attitude is an issue, which means will part is issue. They don't want to do the job, though they have that kind of skill set and knowledge. Other side, they want to do but they don't have knowledge. And third can be where they do not have either attitude or maybe the knowledge set. I give an example of Merck, where I have worked, and I joined an organization in 2011, and before that they have acquired a company called Millipore. Now what happened is, because of this, there was one guy under me, under my leadership team, who was highly talented. He's PhD from the Premium Institute. He knows the knowledge, he knows the subject, he was in the organization for very long, but the will part was missing. The will part was missing because of various reasons. Taking clue from that example, I want to tell you that these are the people who should be motivated. These are the people who have to do a lot of exercise to really engage them. So what happened is, we have to involve them in our strategy, we have to involve them into our decision making, and we have done all this along with the HR. And what happened is, the same year we have shown the growth as good as China. Even globally we have been recognized. So there are people who have skill set, who are in the system, who understand the product, but the willpower is missing. There comes the motivation part of it. Turnaround. The will is there. They want to do and die. They want to perform. A lot of young people who come to the organization, what they're missing is the skill or the knowledge. There comes the training. I remember my pyramid days. We were in the science, we were selling products, we were trying to promote the product and services of Center of Excellence Lab. It's a high-end products. We have hired a lot of people who came through legacy in the system who were commerce background. So commerce background person, but do and die, if you rank them in attitude, they will score 9 out of 10, but the knowledge they will see. This is there, we have to train them. And we have organized the training for them from product knowledge, how to promote product, how to open the call, how to close the call, how to grow, how to position, how to gain commitment. This all entire thing we have given them, because their attitude was something which was like at par with the excellence. Later on what happened is, whenever we go for the top 10 executive, at least 4 or 5 were coming from the commerce background. So the people where the will is there, they want to do it, and if they are lacking skill set can also be not only in the terms of product knowledge, maybe in the sales. They want to understand sales as a process. We used to organize sprint sales training. So you have to provide the training to the people who have attitude to really perform. Any kind of background, people can turn around the business. The third is where both are low. They don't want to perform, they also lack knowledge. These are the people where you have to sit with the HR, give them maybe a PIP, performance improvement plan, monitor them closely. Some people will move left side, some people will really grow, some people may not grow. There the HR has to take a call. And the last one is where the skill is also high and even the will is very high. These are the people who really should grow in the organization. These are the people who participate in your decision making. These are the people whom you should grow so that they become leader for the future, because finally your job is not to grow the business, which will automatically will happen. Finally, the leader's job is to create more leaders. If you create more leaders, automatically the business will come. So the people where the will is very high, they want to do, they also have a skill set. The engagement part should be there. We call it hypo, the high performer and the potential guys. Give them a new role, give them a new GD, maybe give them geography. You equip them professionally, intellectually, so that they can add value to your organization and your organization become a growing organization and sustainable organization. So I feel like today I manage 2,500 plus employees. I just plot them here and try to find out where we have to organize training, where we have to engage people, where we have to sit with HR and really figure it out what is to be done, and few people whom we know that we have to create a roadmap in organization to grow, and that is the way we have to manage the organization. So these metrics become very, very critical for any leader if you are managing the diversity in terms of will and the skill within your organization. Hopefully this will add value to you. Thank you very much.